Hey guys, this is another Costco review. I'm guessing for the holiday season, they have come out with the panna cotta porchetta. This is such a great find and I cannot wait to try it. I just wanted to show you how big this is and what a great find it is for $30. If you're not aware of what a porchetta is, it's basically pork that has been stuffed with herbs and spices, and you roast it until the fat on top is crackly and crunchy. So they've sold this as basically like a cold meat as well. They say you can slice it right off the bat and have it in sandwiches, but a real porchetta needs to stay in the oven for at least 2 hours, and that's what the instructions are. Here she is, our beautiful pork. I've placed the pork on a rack, fat side up. I wish there was smell-o-vision because it's so aromatic. The herbs, oh my God, it smells so good. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 390 for 90 minutes. And if I see that it's still not crispy, we're gonna broil it for a little bit. I am adding potatoes underneath so that the drippings will make them crispy. Let's put it in. Oh yeah, that looks delicious. Croccante. Now it's crisping up here. We could get it crispier on the sides, but it's been in.
Look at the drippings.
It's been in for a while, so.
Look at those drippings. How's your color? Let's check the other side.
Oh yeah. My mouth is watering.
And potatoes. This looks like a good time. We're gonna let this sit, and then we're gonna cut it, and we'll show you guys how good it looks.
Here she is. Oh, that crispy outer layer. Croccante. Let's slice into this baby. All right. Oh. I think I'm gonna have to pull that off. Let's pull it off, guys.
Just pull a piece off then.
Oh yeah. That goes off to the side.
Costco porchetta. Wow.
We're gonna leave it hanging. You can look at it. And I'm gonna slice it. Ooh, it's juicy.
Ooh.
That is nice.
Oh, it's steaming too. Look at that, guys.
Oh, it smells divine.
I wish there was smell-o-vision, guys.
All right, let's try it out and tell you if it's worth it.
Try that piece right there. Yeah. Go on.
I'm gonna cut a little slicey.
Into that. Let's see.
Oh, look at the golden.
That's it. Ooh. Cooked perfectly. Good job. Or warmed perfectly.
Oh yeah, that is delicious. Salty, savory, tender, amazing. The fat just melts in your mouth. Awesome. This is a must try if you're at Costco and you see it at this holiday season. This is a perfect holiday addition. Guys, panna cotta porchetta at Costco, $30. Go get it.
It's great for the holiday season as well.
Go get it. It's a must.
Guys, like, subscribe, and comment. We love your comments all the time.
Let us know if you
Thanks
will
for
get
watching.
some.